Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about double integrals. So now I will show you how to answer. First, we need to find the bounds of dy and dx. About this one, y should be greater than number 0 and smaller than or equals to the square root of 1 minus s squared. About dx, so s between negative number 1 and positive number 1. Now I will concentrate about this one only. So we need to put the square for the both sides to cancel about the square root. So this one you got about 1 minus s squared. So I need to put this one go to the left. Now we need to wrap about the circle. This is about the circle with the radius is about the square root of number 1 equals to number 1 and the center is about 0, 0. So the graph should be like this. So we have 1, 1. This is about negative number 1, negative number 1. Now, if we look carefully, we have y is greater than or equals to number 0 and smaller than and equal to the square root of 1 minus s squared. This is about positive. So the positive that is about this one. And this is about the square root of 1 minus s squared. This one that is about y equals to number 0. So the area should be about this one in here. And we have the bounds from negative number 1 to positive number 1. That is about this one. So the area we need to concentrate that should be about this one. So in this situation, we can apply about polar coordinate. So I will put about s equals to r cosine theta, y equals to r sine theta, and the next one that is about dy dx. We need to change into r dr d theta. So this one we change by this one. Dr that is about the radius of the circle. So that should be about from 0 to number 1. D theta. So we see that we start in here, that's about from 0 and we go to this one to negative number 1. That is about P. And I just applied about trigonometric circle. So we will have from 0 to P. Now we need to calculate about this one. The integration of r, you got about r squared over 2. and then I need to put the bounds from 0 to number 1 d theta. So I need to put number 1 gone here, number 0 gone here. So we have 1 over 2. The interaction of this one, we have theta. And now we have the final answer. And that should be about b over 2. This is the end. Thank you for watching.